Okay, Toto toilet, known as a one piece, but actually it's two piece. This thing, why I probably won't use it again. One thing is you never want to get close to this tower too much. It's all plastic, it's old, it can crack. So normally what I want to do is I want to just pull the head off and change it. I can't pull this head off, so this is useless. You actually have to take the tank apart to get at the line, to get at the bolt. It's crazy. I'll show you something else. Okay, you can't really do this with a Corky or a Toto brand, a Corky style, but pull the hose, lift the ring, pull the head right off. The only thing you would have needed to do was shut the water off to the toilet.